Okay, today we're doing a vent tab install on this 2009 to 2010 Hyundai Sonata driver's side vent. And you're going to want to find the unique blade which has the indentation here. And we're just going to center it so you can see inside to the back blades. And you're going to want this one with the cutout and the post to be lined up centered. You have your vent tab right here, you can see, and the prongs are going to face downward as it's going to clip on like so, and make sure that the prongs are lined up with the back post there before you snap it in place. And you can press it on a little bit to confirm that, and then just snap it on. And there you are, you have a working vent again.